Hey everybody, welcome back to Tavian's World of Reptiles. If this is your first time to my channel, thank you so much for clicking on my video, and if you like what you see, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as that bell so that you get notified whenever I put out a new video. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for clicking on yet another one of my videos. So today, I'm going to be cleaning out Sarabi's enclosure. I'm going to be changing out the substrate, putting in fresh substrate, as well as just kind of, rearranging some of her stuff so she kind of feels like she's in a whole new environment. That means I'm going to have to remove her from the enclosure, and that means I am likely going to get bit, because she does not like to get touched, and I'm going to chase her down, and it's just going to be not the most pleasant experience for either one of us, but I will bring you guys along on that journey, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, don't forget to hit that like button, and I will see you around. Let's get started. Okay, so that was a lot easier than I expected it to be, actually. I'm sorry. I know you are so angry. You are so angry. She just happened to be on the stick, which made it a lot easier to be able to just get her out. And I just grabbed her with the stick. I didn't even touch her, so I managed to get her while she was still on the stick. I don't want to freak her out and make her jump and run, actually, because I'm right next to my window. Let me pause this real quick, actually, before I continue. Okay, we are back. Sorry, my bedroom window was open, and I am a little bit concerned about if she jumps and run, and I would hate for her to go flying out of that window, so I just wanted to close that real quick. But yeah, there she is. This is probably the best I've ever been able to really show her to you guys, because, as I said, she doesn't usually like to come out. Let's get this side. You gonna show everybody your good side? There she is. Yeah, she is super angry at me. She is so angry at me. She does not want me to be anywhere near her right now. Yeah, she's not a social creature. So I'm glad this was an easy transfer, though. I'm glad I was able to just get her out like this. I'm hoping maybe she'll just hang out on this stick the entire time so that I can just like literally pick it back up and put her back. But we will see how that goes, huh? We will see if she lets that happen. Yeah. Oh, you are so grumpy. Oh, you are so grumpy. Why you so grumpy? What you so grumpy for? Can I clean your enclosure without you like freaking out? You want to just hang out? Can I sit you by the window? There you go. You can just hang out right there and be angry. Oh, the angry lizard. The angry lizard. And now I clean out your enclosure. Alright, I got that all cleaned out. Now I'm going to take some Eco Earth as well as some Sandy chips, and I'm going to put them inside the enclosure. I'm not sure, I haven't decided if I'm going to mix it or if I'm going to try to do a half and half like I've seen done. But I don't know. We'll see. I'll think about it, and then you will see what I decide. Alright, as you can see, I have decided to go a little over halfway with the Eco Earth, and then the rest of it being the Sandy chips. Just want to, provide a slight different, feel of terrain as Sarabi moves about her enclosure. So we will see how this works out, and if I approve in the long term, or if I decide that's not going to work out the next time I do a enclosure substrate change. So, alright, let's get all the rest of the stuff in and see what I'm going to do decoration wise. Alright everybody, so I have finished it up. I think it looks really good. So I have got that, you can see there's a board like right there. That's at a slant and held in place. And that could be a hide for Sarabi if she so chooses. I've also placed this very large leaf in here as well, so that could be kind of like another little place to tuck herself if she so feels. Then back here, I just kind of stuffed some vines so that she could just kind of crawl underneath and through them and feel a little bit more secure if she would like to. And then, of course, I put her climbing rack back in with her little favorite plants, and they are looking great. And that's usually where she likes to sleep, but I don't know where she's going to sleep now. She could still probably figure out how she can sleep in that same area, but I don't know. I guess we'll have to see. And then right here, I put two of the little leaves that fell off of that one, just kind of in the position, so that could also be another little hide area for Sarabi to be and feel kind of secure. So I definitely hooked it up with a lot of like little nooks and crannies where Sarabi can just be and feel secure and happy and relaxed. I really am liking the look of the two different substrates in here. I hope it works out for Sarabi, and I hope that she can appreciate it as well. So yeah, that did not take nearly as long as I expected it to take, but yeah, let's see if getting Sarabi back in will be as easy as it was to get her out. And yeah, let's see if she likes it. What are you doing down there? I have to grab you. Are you gonna, I wonder if I can just pull you up with the blanket without you going down. Please don't go down. Down is not where I want you to go. I'll move back so that you don't feel like you have to go down as I pull you closer to me. How about that? Yeah. Yeah. Let's just go slow. I should have probably just put you in something so I didn't have to go through this. But let's see what happens. Ooh, I got you, and you got me. I got you, you got me. Okay. Ow, 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 ow. Hey, chill. We got this together, bro. I'm sorry. Alright. Whew. That was a feat. But I got him. Lots of musking. Ooh, lovely. Yeah, anyway, that was fun. Not as easy to get back in as it was to get out. But I got him in, so now I got her in, so let's check her out inside of her enclosure. Alrighty. There she is. In her new home. So fresh and so clean. Oh, way to give me a nice fight today. Huh. Got paint still stuck on that glass. That's okay. Yeah, you're definitely going to need something on those backs. I took off the the paper on the back. I didn't have any to replace it because that was when I was using paper and stuff to as substrate. And so I had a little bit left over, and so I had wrapped the tank with it. But now I don't have any more of that, and I have not replaced it because I actually use substrate now. But I will have to do something about the sides because it's gonna definitely trip her out, realizing that she has so many more exit points, but are not actual exit points. So I'll have to do something about that so that you don't keep doing that, huh? Huh? Yeah. All right, so I think she's gonna dig it. We'll have to just keep watching her, see how it goes, and yeah, let her relax and chill out. That was a stressful endeavor for both of us. Um, so I'm going to relax, and then she's going to relax, and we're all just gonna relax. So you guys have a fantastic day. This is Tavian's World of Reptiles. That is Sarabi in her freshly redecorated home. And I hope you guys take care, love yourselves, love your reptiles, love your loved ones, and you guys keep spreading those herbs.